Hi, I am Sarwar from BitApps. Today I am going to show you how to add YouTube video link on your website. So to add a YouTube video link on your website, I am using BitAssist plugin. So let's go to WordPress dashboard. Click on BitAssist, add widget, give a widget name. Click on create button, click on three dots and edit it. Add channel, YouTube, give here YouTube video ID. Add a YouTube video link. Here you can also see some advanced features on our Pro version. You can hide after office hours. You can on and off it, and channel show in desktop or mobile. I keep it both. Now click on save button. Now go to WordPress page and refresh the page. Now click on Bit Assist and click on YouTube. So you can see the video which I linked in my channel, YouTube channel. So in this way you can add your YouTube video link on your website. Thanks for watching this video.